Anybody who's curious.
I think it's personally for everyone.
Anybody who is doing soul searching.
Vibravision is for everybody.
I think for anyone who is mature enough and willing to put in the hard work.
I truly believe this is an incredible place for business people to be able to come in and really take their business to a different level, because you are tapping into all of you, not just part of you.
Like if you live on the planet and you want to make every facet of your life better, this is the place you're going to do it.
There's nobody on the planet that doesn't have the ability to do what we're doing here.
Anybody who is of the spiritual community that already has gotten a foot in the door of they know who their inner self is, but they don't get the physical part.
You don't realize how awesome you are. You know, a lot of things in reality have told you that you're not going to be this thing, or you're not going to, you know, achieve what you want to achieve, and those just aren't true.
People who are ready would be people who want better decisions in life, more energy out of life.
I think it's phenomenal for children, if they're the appropriate age, to be able to understand just who and what we really are.
You have so much more power inside of you that you don't know you have, and this place helps unlock that, or at least give you the idea that, hey, maybe I do have more potential than I think I do, and from there it's kind of like you're on the path.
Like, I'm eating 3 meals a day. I haven't done that since I was 15 years old. But now I'm like metabolizing faster. I feel way more energetic. It's incredible.
I think anybody that's even just curious if there is more to what they always thought there was, this is a great place to be, because you can come in with no knowledge whatsoever, and the way that it's taught, be very comfortable building on ground zero.
I can't even believe this.
Come figure out your physical part and then let it be tied together, because that will send you to the next level.
I'm really excited for doing even higher levels, honestly.
It'd be a total game changer for anyone that's ready and willing and able to level up.